Let's look at how to add comments to your Java code. What is a comment? Comments are used to provide additional information not easily discernible by reading the program's code. Comments help make sense of complex calculations, test conditions, or process flows. Comments provide resources to the programmer to find the prior individual who worked on this code and what was changed. There are two ways to write a comment in Java. Line comments using the \\\/ combination followed by information on one line, and block comments using the \** combination followed by the information, then you must close the block using *\\. Blocks can extend over multiple lines. Let's look at three examples of how comments might be used. In this first example, we have single line comments. You can see at the beginning of the line, the first characters are \\\. Here we have an author being credited and the date that the code was written. In this next example, this includes information about change management. In addition to the author's name and the date the code was written, we have a release version as well as the purpose. The purpose of this code was to correct issues with calculations. Number 3, this last example is an example of a block comment. We can see that it's a block comment because it opens with \\* and closes with *\\. And all the lines in between those two are considered comments. So these are different examples of how to use comments in your code. Let's look at how to put comments in our code. First, I'm going to create a main method, public static void main string args square brackets, and open some curly brackets. So we have a Java skeleton for a class called practice. In here, I'm going to create some print statements. So here we have a hello world. And just to show you what that looks like, I will run the code. And in our output, it prints hello and world on one line. So let's say we didn't want to print hello. We could comment that out, add two backslashes at the beginning of the line, and the rest of the line is considered a comment. So Java won't process that as if it's code. If I run this file again, they'll only print out world. So that's one use of how to use comments. Let me just show you the block comment so you could see that as well. If I wanted more than one line commented out, now both of the print statements are considered comments. So if I run the file again, you can see that there's no output here. That's because both of these are considered comments and not considered code. So I'm going to take these comments off and just show you some ways that you could use them. So at the top of your program, it's not a bad idea to put the name of who wrote it. And perhaps the year. Now you can take advantage of comments in your own code.